for today, we'll be doing some unboxing. If you haven't subscribed in my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification button para palagi po kayong updated sa aking mga post. So today, as I said, mag-unboxing tayo. Ito. So dumating po ito kahapon. Kahapon pa ito dumating. And I'm really excited about this one. It's a early birthday gift ng aking asawa sa akin. Lang natin siya this is my very first unboxing video. So excited. Buksan na po natin ito. Tingnan natin kung ano ang laman ng mahiwagang blue box. Ayan nga po, it's an HP 17C8 1130NB Party with a 17.3 inches monitor. So I decided to have a 16GB internal memory with a shared video card. I can actually choose to have a 8GB plus a dedicated video card of 3GB, but naisip ko po, hindi naman po ako gamers, and most of the time I do my editing on my phone, which I prepared, than editing on a computer. Mas handy kasi sa akin. Binusok ko yung iba. Diba? So, ito yung pinili ko. Yung isa pa yung gusto ko laptop is, actually, konti lang yung difference niya, pero nang hinayang pa rin ako doon sa difference niya. So, ito yung pinili ko. Medyo malaki siya doon sa una kung ano. Paano ka ba buksan? Ay, baliktad. Mas malaki siya doon sa una kong. Ay, girl. Ay. Ito pala talaga siya. Ayan. Oo, di ba? Ayan. Ayan po ang regalo ni Mr. for my birthday. Mas malaki siya ng konti. So, ano pa to? Hindi pa to naka-set up. Isi-set up pa to nung kaibigan namin. Ayan. I'm so excited. Wala siya. Lumabas siya sandali. Tinawag niya yung kaibigan naming IT specialist na magsiset up nito. So, thank you, asawa ko. Thank you. So, that's it for our unboxing and thank you for watching.
Wala na siyang CD room. Kasi sabi ng kaibigan namin, most of mga ginagawa ngayong yung laptop is wala na mga CD drive. Mga CD, para lalagyan ng CD. Or DVD. Wala na. And then, sa side, ano lang siya. Meron siyang isang USB-C. Yung sabi niya.
Pero bakit parang wala akong nakita? Wow. I was wondering. Sabi ko, nasan yung charger? Ayan pala. Ayan pala yung charger. So, meron siyang charger. So, ayan. Ayan. Ayan po, I will take this opportunity to thank my YT family, my YT friends, namely Nuj Nuj. Thank you very much. To Adele Sulit, to Uragon, to Mr. Kim Potts, of course. Queen B, love, I love you. Miss Pretty K, to Romal Manalang, to Christy, I love you all, I love you. To Mr. R&B Lutong Pinoy, Coffee Mate, Kanoo TV, to Miss Dolly, Miss Dalbits, and of course to Mr. Norman's Diary. Thank you so much sa support. And to my sissy, Joey Buds. Thank you, sissy, for always supporting me and sharing me to your community. I love you. And also mega love shout out to Miss Ems Cartagena. I love to Jonas Cupid, to Bunso Rob, and to my classmate Kinoa Vlogs. Mega love shout out. Miss Rose Crude, Vid TV, Anna Advent, Troy Casey, Gwen Canucci, Karen Aranda, to Miss Zoe K, of course, mega love shout out to Supremo RC MGA. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.